This is a drawing from TurboCAD. It's a cost-effective alternative to AutoCAD. You can use the free trial or TurboCAD XT to view these files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the CAD. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for TCW files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The TCW extension is universally interchangeable with other files in the 3D CAD file group. It adheres to the file naming scheme set by TurboCAD Drawing. A TCW file is a TurboCAD Drawing tutorial file. These files typically contain instructional content, examples, and step-by-step guides for using TurboCAD software. They are designed to help users learn and master various features and functionalities of the CAD program, enhancing their design and drafting skills. TCW files are structured to present tutorial information in a clear and organized manner. They may include text, images, and sample CAD drawings to illustrate concepts and techniques. The files are designed to be interactive, allowing users to follow along and practice the skills being taught within the TurboCAD environment. The tool most commonly used for creating TCW files is TurboCAD by MC Design LLC. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows can't fully visualize complex structures, so proper inspection requires 3D CAD applications. Your first step toward a working file, right-click the TCW file and select Open With. If TurboCAD is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. When your TCW file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the TCW file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, use TurboCAD. Open the file using TurboCAD or the free TurboCAD viewer. Next, check version. Ensure the TurboCAD version you are using is equal to or newer than the version that created the file. Finally, convert to DXF DWG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal CAD format like .dxf or DWG. When the trial and error phase ends unsuccessfully, we know a traditional approach won't work. The straightforward answer is to try a simple one-click fix for your TCW file. I strongly endorse FileMagick for its advanced features. Its ability to instantly inspect and display content, even if the TCW file has a corrupted header, is unmatched. Download it at filemagick.com. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. Thanks for watching to the end. Show your appreciation by liking and subscribing.